Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to look at the Marshalltown Concrete Edger. Let's take a close look. So, what the concrete edger does, you see this little profile right here. What it's going to do is, say this is your concrete slab. You are going to run it across the concrete slab as the concrete is setting up, and it is going to put a rounded edge on instead of it just being flat and square. It'll give it a really nice detailed edge, but what you want when you're buying one of these is you want something that's going to last a long time. Marshalltown is a very well known brand when it comes to concrete tools. They're made to last a long time. They have real heavy duty rubber handles, which makes it nice to work with. It's not hard on your hands. And if you'll look, the actual plate is stainless. It even tells you right here it's stainless steel. So it's going to clean up really well and give you years of service. I don't think you'll go wrong by picking up the Marshalltown Concrete Edger. Do yourself a favor and pick one up today. We'll see you guys on the next review.